Now, let's start making a trial tank top. First, please gather all the necessary materials. Please download and print the pattern and the instructions for making it. For this project, we'll be using different fabrics for the front body and the back body to make the steps easier to understand in the video. And we'll use this green fabric for the ribbing. Now, let's prepare the pattern. The pattern is divided into sections to fit on letter or A4 sized paper, so you'll need to tape them together at the margins. First, let's start by taping each piece together. Align tab for sticking A with tab for sticking A. Join them together using glue or tape. Cellophane tape tends to deteriorate and shrink over time, but mending tape prevents degradation and allows you to write on it as well. Since this is a size S, there are fewer areas to join together. For larger sizes, you'll need to join multiple pieces just to create a single back body. When joining multiple pieces, the paper tends to shift more easily. Align a ruler along the center back line and adjust the paper to ensure it is straight before joining the pieces together. Apply tape to the back side as well. Similarly, the front body also has tab for sticking B, so join it together accordingly. There is a chest line, which can be a bit confusing, but make sure to join along the tab for sticking line, not the chest line. Similarly, use a ruler to check that the front center line is straight. Once the pieces are joined, proceed to cut out the pattern pieces. Some sections may appear jagged due to the data, but when cutting, avoid following the jagged lines. Instead, cut smoothly along the curve. Please throw away the scraps. Similarly, cut out the back body, neck rib, and arm rib.